go. Just be gentle.
Come on, you need to watch this. This is
Just
what's funny.
put it
Can I pour it over your nice bald head first? Just to.
No, don't waste it. Don't waste
my
it.
mouth.
You ready?
Twist it.
No.
Twist
That's a
it.
very kind dentist chair.
Ain't going down.
How long can it drink it, you fanny?
Yeah, you fucking faggot!
Oh
Come on!
no! What's that?
Swallow!
Gary,
Swallow
Gary,
it! Is it salty and lumpy and warm and
Spill the wine, for Christ's
come
sake.
on? Get the tadpoles down you.
Hey, I tell you what, Murray.
Oh, this is
Man that
horrendous.
can pace himself. That's good.
Murray, you'll need to go home. You can't come out tonight. That is so embarrassing.
Hey,
What the
What was that?
that's a fair dentist chair.
It's supposed to be done in under 10 seconds.
That was quite slow.
Why was
That
that?
was slow, I don't know.
I couldn't get it down any quicker.
Because you're full of mood, Sig.
No, that was fair respect, that, mate. That was good.
Did
No,
you see that? Did you see how it was done, Colin?
Still working on it.
There was a bit of
Right,
a-
go and do it again. Colin.
Hey, mate, you're doing the dentist chair tonight. Colin's next.
Right, who's not done it?
Colin, is it?
Graham, good shout.
Shan wants to do one. Shan wants to do one. Go on.
Go on, Sean. Go on,
Go on, Shan.
Go
Go
on,
on,
Sean.
Shan.
Go on, Sean. You do one.
No
You'll be
way.
sick everywhere.
That's okay.
Carl will be
Another
quite
week
good in
go.
the
I
dentist chair.
can't drink the gas at beer. Can't do it.
Down that way, man.
Go straight back out.
I've got a circle on my teeth
Right, I'll do one.
from where they've been cleaned.
What a team, Charlie. Thank you very much.